So other than the suzuri or the ink stone, and we have the sumi or the ink stick and a little holder to place it on, the flower petal, which is over here with all of the different chambers for our water that we're going to use. Some of the other things that we need when we're painting are a weight, and here you can see one here resting. You can use anything. If you want to use a stone or something else that's heavy, that's fine. We also need a brush rest, and here you can see a very fine bronze one, and just beside it here I've got another one that's made of porcelain. But again, you can improvise something else. You just basically want to keep your brush from resting on the paper, especially when it's damp, because that'll mark the paper. When we're finished, we're going to stamp our final works with a stone or a hanko or ink on or chop, and here you can see one here. One of the things that I find useful is to pre-prepare a version of it, and here I've just covered it in Scotch tape so that if I want to decide, do I want to use this one or another one, and you can see just over here there are quite a few different types. Painters will have some that are round, some that are rectangular. They'll have a number of different types. I can move it around on my painting to decide where I want to put it before I actually ink my stone and press it down. The last thing you need is something to cushion, and in calligraphy people will use a black felt, and I've got it here just to show you the difference. When you place black felt and you put the paper over top of it, as a painter it just gets a little bit darker and it's harder to see. I don't know if you can tell the difference in the paper. It might be tough on this video, but it is better to use something soft and white. And so any type of felt, typically in Japan they use a type of felt, but you can also use quilting, batting, or even an old towel. Basically anything that's absorbent in order to get that job done.